Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write year level checker program using PERL as our programming language. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. We are here in the text editor. I'm using Visual Code from Microsoft. It is free. We can download this software from the internet free of charge. And then so there are so many features that useful in writing programs. So here we start with a comment. In PERL we can have a comment using sharp, and then we have here year underscore level dot pl. Then we have here author, yours truly, it's me. Next we have here the date. Today is October 31, 2019, 5:09 AM, Thursday. We save our work. Year level .pl. We will select specifically the file type because we are using PERL here. Okay. The new line /t year level determiner in PERL. Print /t what is your year level. Jump for input $year level equals less than greater than semicolon. If we copy this one again for formatting, then we have here if $year level equals 1, print /t you belong to freshmen. Else if we will copy this one again to save time and effort. By this time we will simply change this to sophomore else if we have it 3, juniors else if seniors, else. Begin. Not a valid year level. Line. Print. /t. End of program. Okay, so automatically our program is automatically saved in Visual Code, our text editor. So we have here now to recall the things that we have done. This is the comment section of our code, and then we have here the title, in this case your level determiner in PERL, and then what is your level. So we have here asking the user what is the year level, and then in this section of our code is the conditional statement. For year level 1 we have freshmen, $year level 2 we have sophomore, for year level $year level 3 we have juniors, and then for $year level 4 we have seniors. If the user gave a value or numerical value that does not belong out of the 4, our program will display not a valid year level. So we can add another statement here, try again, which tells the user that you can try again running the program, and then end of the program that tells the user that the program is terminated already, and then it will return to your IDE or operating system. In this case we are using Microsoft Windows 10 actually, to be specific. So when we run our program here, we simply write PERL year level.pl to check for syntax error also. Press the enter key or return key from our keyboard. What is your year level? Let's say we have 3. Okay, so you belong to juniors, end of program. We run again, let's say we have 6. So your level determiner in PERL, what is your year level? We gave 6, not a valid year level, try again. Okay, so let's say for example we have 1, year level determiner in PERL, what is your year level? 1, you belong to freshmen, end of program. So here we got it, guys. We have already done writing our year level determiner in PERL programming language. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next tutorial, thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.